much are these shoes?
Some are buck and the others, and there's some that are two. So
Grab these. Like the snowboard stuff, what are you thinking?
probably $5 for each snowboard.
Okay. And like boots and stuff.
Well, now these
How much?
have never been worn.
Oh, okay.
So I'd say if you were comfortable with it, at least $5, because those are brand new.
Yeah, those are nice.
So, and they're name brand. They're Sims.
I'll grab those. What do you think about the snowboards, Daddy?
So
$5.
I told you we're trying.
She's trying. Yeah.
I mean, you'll want to wax them, and this one's had. This is male, this is female, but doesn't matter. But I mean, these are name brand. Even these are worth. Those are worth that.
So how much for the whole lot?
So we'll grab the boots. Definitely the two snowboards.
Do you want now? This could. I wore this helmet, so it can be male or female. I bought it as it was a youth male.
Okay.
I don't know if you're interested in that at all.
Yeah.
So.
It all get used eventually.
Interested in. So that's 5, 10, that's 15. And do you want to do 1 or 2 on the shoes?
Oh, we'll do $2.
Two on the
This is
shoe,
Okay. You're giving great deals, so.
You want the goggles or?
Yeah, those are good goggles, and those came with my helmet when I bought it. It's only been worn a couple times. The bag.
I mean, why does you want to look up, what is it? Smith helmet or something?
It's not Smith, it's Maze or something.
Oh, I just saw the bag.
Yeah, I don't know. It does say Smith Maze.
Yeah. M-A-Z-E?
M-A-Z-E.
Yeah, I'd grab it.
Okay, with the bag and...
Yeah, so boots, goggles, 2 snowboards and a helmet.
Yeah. You want to just leave it here and we'll go?
I would grab it. Let's just pay her for this and we'll keep looking.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So yeah, we'll take the helmet and the goggles also.
What did I say on the helmet?
I don't think you said yet.
You did yet.
Okay, are you okay with at least 5 on the helmet?
Yeah.
And
So 10, 15, 22?
and
the
are you
goggles.
okay? Hey, can we make it easy 25?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that work for you
That
guys?
sounds
Make
great.
it super easy. I don't have any ones.
Thank you.
Or 29. 29. Do you have a home day? You said 29. Thank you so much. Just $1. Okay. Still wants it.
How much is this?
$2.
Okay.
Morning.
Do you have change for 10?
May I have the hanger?
Oh yeah. You're fine.
Thank you.
How much is this one?
Jack. I don't know how much you think so.
10. I'll take that for 10. Sorry. This is just 3. I have some in my pocket. There we go. 5, 10. Thank you
so
guys.
much.
Doing. All right, guys. So we're back. It's been about a week since we've gone. Well, more than a week, probably.
More than a week.
But we wanted to show you guys everything we found. We've been keeping it out here in our trailer. So
These take up too much space. So.
yeah.
Yeah. So you saw we found these snowboards for $5 each at a garage sale. This one was Sims or?
Yeah, this was a Sims.
So that's Sims. It does have it's not perfect, obviously.
Yeah.
Honestly, these alone probably. These are Burton bindings. So these are also Burton bindings. So those alone, I mean, we might and probably will take off and sell separately because bindings can go for $50+ each.
Yeah, and it'd be easier to sell the bindings online.
Yeah.
The board, it says it's very long, right? It's hard to ship and stuff.
Might try to list them local. I mean, they still sell good on eBay. I just hate shipping that stuff. But yeah, this board, I don't think I've ever. Moro snowboards.
Moro,
I've never really heard of that. They did put some stickers on it.
See, it's pretty dusty.
So that says Moro, but then right here it says Decline. Is that just
I think
whatever
that's just
this is?
Yeah.
So, anyways, that was a great find. $5 each, and I don't even know, I want to say 50 around on the bindings alone, and then the boards. I don't know. I didn't look up comps yet. I just knew that I wasn't going to leave those for $5.
How do you skip a Sims snowboard for $5? Right. Reese.
This is a helmet. I've never really sold a helmet before, but it's in perfect condition.
Oh.
It's a size extra small, which I don't know. She said it fit her, I think.
Yeah.
But it definitely, I don't think would fit me. It might fit our children.
There's
so
no way it would fit me.
Teenager size.
Yeah.
But it honestly doesn't really look worn or anything.
Yeah,
so
very good condition.
Really
I think
great shape.
Maybe one snowboarding trip.
Yeah. Did we? Yeah, we grabbed the bag that came with.
The lighting.
So, that's nice. I just grabbed. I don't even know why I grabbed the goggles. I mean, what'd she say? $2?
I think we rounded up to it ended up being like $3 for the goggles. Yeah.
So I don't know what they're worth though, but I don't know. I just felt like she was giving good deals, and I wanted to honestly just grab some more stuff. I guess. Yeah. So yeah, the first thing I grabbed at that garage sale was these Vibrams or whatever.
Yeah.
These
fingers.
always sell, usually $35 to $45 plus shipping, and she was asking $1 or $2, so I kind of gauged by that cheap price that's when I was like, so we walked up, I saw the snowboards, but I'm like, there's no pricing on them. I'm probably thinking she's gonna want a lot.
Yeah.
So after she said $1 or $2 on these, I was like, well
how about the snowboards?
Yeah. So I'm glad I asked, because normally I would be too chicken too.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that worked out. And then that was it. Oh, These are like brand new.
Yeah, these boots are really
snow
nice.
Boots. Like, look at these. Never been worn. I think they're women's. US 8. So, yeah, I mean, that was 5 into probably, I don't know, like 100? Like,
right. For just the boots, maybe?
I don't know, but I want to say like 100.
Yeah.
So, who knows? What do we get at that second sale?
You got a Nike jacket. You know what? That's upstairs.
Oh, you didn't? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is just some stuff. We didn't get footage. This was, I think, the next weekend at some garage sales. We just didn't have our GoPro with us. But yeah, I'll just show you. There was the cutest little girl there, and she just kept showing me all of the things and nothing like I really wanted or would buy, but I just felt like I had to buy something, and I wanted her to get the money. So anyways, I grabbed this, and this actually is worth, I think it was like 20 bucks.
Yeah.
It's not used. This came together. It's a little Mario crown, Princess Peach crown.
Yeah.
And glove set. And yeah, so we paid 2 into probably 20. And this guy, yeah, I just hate leaving my garage sales empty-handed. So this guy had everything cheap, just nothing I would have bought. I think I paid $1 for both of these. They won't sell for a ton, but yeah.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to leave empty-handed. He was like sitting out there, and it seemed like nobody was really coming to his sale. This also was that same weekend. Chris picked these up for $8. Yeah. So not bad. Nike Air Force One, all black. Men's 8.5. Good size. They're a little creasing on them, but otherwise, overall, really good shape. So those I want to say 40 to 50, I think, maybe 50 to 60. So yeah, other than that, we got a nice Nike jacket at the one sale for 10. That should sell for like 50 to 60. And what else did I get? Oh, an Eddie Bauer, like it reminded me of the Patagonia Better sweaters.
Yeah.
But it's just Eddie Bauer brand. That's probably 20 to 25. It looked brand new though, so yeah. This is not from a garage sale, but I feel like we gotta show you it. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me pick this up a few days ago at a Goodwill. It was $25.
What is it, Reese?
Definitely needs a good like spray.
Yeah.
It's dirty.
Some yellowing and
yellowed
stuff.
a little bit on her boots and her hands, but these were selling on eBay, and the sell-through was pretty decent for like $300. Some like plus shipping. Some people it looked like did a local pickup.
Yeah.
But anyways, I do feel like those ones were a little better condition than this is. But I mean, 25.
Yeah,
I can't leave. Even if we
bucks.
sell it local for like 100, that'd be great to me. So I left
Figured
it.
we'd
I
risk
actually
it.
left it at the store, and then I was like regretting it. So I'm like doing a poll on Instagram, and everybody other than like a handful of people were like, "Yeah, go back and get it."
Yeah.
So, you know, her eye could use some paint, a little paint or something, but
Obviously some condition issues.
it's neat. I wish we had a cool office like Kevin. Like Kevin Commonwealth. That would just be a cool
shed.
like,
Yeah.
just somewhere like that I don't know.
It'd be a cool display.
It's cool to look at every day. Yeah, we could put something in here that we grab out of from every day. But anyways, we're just going to sell that. What's this? Nothing. Well, those are just our personal pictures. So, yeah.
All right, so we left some stuff up here on accident, so we figured we'd come up here.
We already mentioned, like, we already said how much.
Yeah.
This is a really nice Nike jacket. Like, this says Nike Aeroloft, and then it's Nike Golf. So, yeah, I do think I looked it up, and I feel like it was going for 50 to 60 pre-owned. So that's a really nice one. And then that was that Better sweater.
Yeah.
Not really a Better sweater because that's Patagonia's thing, but it's in really good shape. A men's tall XL. So yeah, I think 20 to 25 on that probably. I do well with Eddie Bauer stuff. We must have not got footage at this garage sale where we got this North Face.
I don't remember, honestly.
Yeah, so anyways, I picked this up for $10. It's a North Face down vest for women XXL. It did have like a little college sticker right here, like a CU Buffs. So I peeled that off and it left a little bit of a mark, but I'm gonna wash this. Either way, still was worth $10. I would have grabbed it either way.
Yeah, when you got it, you didn't realize that it had that sticker, and then you saw it and you thought it might have been like an embroidery.
Yeah, and I was like, great.
And then
I was just gonna leave it there, but yeah, it peeled off. It was just like probably an iron-on patch.
Right.
So I'm glad it peeled off actually, and you can barely even tell it was there. So that was a good find. I think that would go for being that it's down vest,
Yeah.
50 plus.
With the parka hood.
Yeah. And this I just picked up for Becky Park's son because I love watching her stories when she shows him doing his president stuff. So I'm gonna send that to her.
He's a little guy and he knows all the presidents, right?
He knows all the he's like amazing. Like I just love watching when she puts videos of her kids. So anyways,
Sweet. So that's everything that we found. We're going to get stuff listed here soon. But yeah, guys, what do you think about the garage sales that we hit up in today's video? I think we did go to a couple other garage sales that day, but we didn't find anything, so we just didn't include that footage. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing support, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.